Hey there, quick review on this Reese hitch lock. Nice overall unit. It's got a really good fit and finish. Nice thick bar coming around the top. This coupler will work with 1 7/8, 2 and 2 5/16 hitches, so you've got a lot of versatility there. You will get 2 keys with this. Give it a turn. You will get 2 keys with this. Give it a turn, and the upper portion will come right out. And then when you drop it back down, it'll automatically ratchet right into place. So there's about 11 different positions, so it's gonna fit a variety of different hitches, and again, pops out really easy. So really good fit and finish all the way around. And then the key area up here just has a simple rubber cap to go over it. Personally, with my trailers, I try to add as many theft deterrents as possible. It's very difficult to truly make a trailer theft proof, but this is one thing that you can add that'll make it more difficult. They'll have to make noise to get this off. It'll take time to get this off, and that might just deter them from messing with it. You definitely don't want to leave a trailer hitch wide open sitting around where somebody can just hook up to it and take off.